Welcome to the online class, children. Now we will start revision work for half yearly exam. Okay. Already we have completed our syllabus. Hope you have completed your copy also. Okay. So try to complete it fast and submit it in the office for checking. Okay. Now we will start the revision work, and first we will do the revision of English 2, that is lesson 8. Literature will start, and lesson 8, from lesson 8 will start, and the syllabus for the English 2 is, I think you have already got the syllabus. Okay, so your syllabus is from lesson 8 to 14 in English literature. So you try to complete it fast and try to revise all the chapters properly. Now, first of all, we will do the revision of lesson 8, Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. It is quite interesting story. Okay, as you know, it is about the magic lamp, about Aladdin. Okay, Aladdin was one character, no? And this is very interesting story. So, hope you have understood the story also. Okay, and what is the ending? Ending was very nice, no? Happy ending of this story. So Aladdin was, before he was very poor. Okay, very poor, from very poor family, very poor he was. But as he got a lamp, magic lamp, short summary like magic lamp, his means everything changed in his life. Okay, he got all the comforts and the pleasures in his life. Now after that he had a good big palace also. Okay, and at the last of this chapter, what happened? He got married with a beautiful princess. Okay, and they lived happily. It was very nice and happy ending story. So hope you have understood the story. Okay, now we will start the revision of the chapter, revision of the exercise part. First of all, the word meanings are given. You have to learn the word meanings properly. Here, suppose widow. Widow means what? A lady whose husband is dead. So first of all, you have to learn all the word meanings properly of the chapters. Okay, stranger, a person whom we don't know. Strange person, stranger, no, whom we don't know, unknown person. Okay, so that is known as a stranger. Hidden, that is not seen, hidden, which we are not able to see. Okay, that is hidden. And terrified, to frighten badly, to frighten badly. Now adventure, adventure means something new and exciting. So this story, just like example I can give you, this story is the adventure story, no? Adventurous story. It was very nice story. It is this when you heard the story, what you feel? It is quite interesting, exciting, something exciting and something new to hear. No, veil means a cover, a cover. Now these word meanings are over. Now we will do the revision of true and false, which is given in your exercise part. First, put a tick mark for the true and cross mark for the false statement. So here, the stranger had a stick in his hand. The stranger had a stick in his hand. So this is true or false? So this is true, isn't it? No. Now, the stranger touched the rock with his hand. So this is true or false? This statement is also false statement. Aladdin closed the cave with a rock and went away. So this is false statement. Aladdin sold the lamp and became very rich. So it is false, isn't it? No. No. Now Aladdin's mother asked the Sultan to give the princess in marriage to Aladdin. This is true. Okay. Now Aladdin's palace was more beautiful than the Sultan's palace. He got married, no? Aladdin got married with the Sultan's daughter, isn't it? No? And it was that means when he made a big palace as compared to the Sultan's palace, then only he got married, no? So it's very nice, no, to see that all. And Aladdin palace was more beautiful than Sultan palace. So exactly, it is true, isn't it? No. Now, true and false are over. Hope you understood and try to learn. And try to first, when you will understand the chapter, it is very easy for you to learn and to write the answers, isn't it? Now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks here. Aladdin was dash with his friends. Aladdin was dash with his friend. I will not write in the blackboard because you have already written, and I have given you the PDF also. So from that, only what you have to do by heart and learn and try to write and practice for the exam. When you will write, you will improve the handwriting also, and you will learn the spellings also correctly to write, isn't it? Now here, Aladdin was dash with his friend. So Aladdin was playing with his friend. So what is the answer here? Playing. Okay. Now the strange man was a magician. So the strange man was a dash. It is a fill in the blanks. No. So a strange man was a magician. Okay. He was a magician. Now Aladdin went down the steps and soon dashed the garden and soon reached the garden. What is the answer here? Reached the garden. Okay. Now it was more dash than his own palace. It was more beautiful. What is the answer here? It was more beautiful. Dash in that blank. Beautiful is the answer. Okay. Than his own palace. Now, Dash became a handsome young man. So, in the blank what it will come? Aladdin. Aladdin became a handsome young man. Now, the whole town was full of joy and dash. Whole town was full of pleasures. So, it will be what? Pleasures. Whole town was full of joy and pleasures. Okay. So pleasure spelling Pleasure, isn't it now? Magician spelling Magician. Like this you have to learn. Now reached, Reached, reached. Okay, like this you have to prepare, isn't it now? Okay. Now, this fill in the blanks are over, no? Fill in the blanks are over. Now, we will do the next exercise part. Okay, here. So, here now question answers are already given to you. You have to learn the question answers properly. Okay, and now here we will do the exercise part, question number 4. Tell who said to whom. Tell who said to whom. You have to learn the question answers also, as I am not just revising it here, but you have to learn the question answers also. You have to learn it properly, all the question answers. Okay. Exercise part will do the revision. Okay. Now, if you tell who said to whom, this is the question. Tell who said to whom. Now, this question will do. If you come with me, I will give you a wonderful gift. Okay, so who said this? This is statement. Who said this statement? So this is a stranger, no? And to whom? To Aladdin. To whom? To Aladdin. Now, what shall I do there? Who said? What shall I do there? Who said? Aladdin. To whom? To the stranger. Now, command me. I am ready to obey. So now here, who said? Genie said to Aladdin. Because Genie was there, no? To follow the instructions which was given, or follow the orders which was given by Aladdin, isn't it? No? He fulfilled, who? Genie fulfilled all his demands. Okay, whose demands? Demands of Aladdin. Okay, now. Okay, now here, next question. What would you like me to do? Who said? Genie. To to Aladdin. Okay. Now next question. Build a beautiful palace for me. Build a beautiful palace for me. Now who said this? It was order given by Aladdin, no? Aladdin to whom? To Genie. So that who made this beautiful palace for Aladdin? Genie only, isn't it? No. Now, hope you have understood this and try to learn. Okay. Now, next question. What is the next question here? Here you know that is we use is, am, are and we verb plus ing. Okay, we use is with singular subject and are with plural subject. That you know, is we are using for singular and for are we are using for plural. We use am with I and are with you. Definitely with I we are using am and with you we are using are. Isn't it now? So like this, more examples are, suppose example, I am going to school, I am going to school, I am going to play. Okay, now they are going to play, like this. Okay, so we use was, were and verb plus ing form. Now, so here was with singular we are using and were with the plural. Okay, and with you and they. Okay, so they, we are using what? Verb. So you, with you we are using. Okay. Now subjects with you. Another example here, like this. They were going to play. They were, because it is plural. No, they is plural. So with that we are using what? We are using verb. Okay. So like this in the past continuous. Okay. Present continuous tense. What is the present continuous tense? What we are using? What is the how to form the present continuous tense? So we use is, am, are, and we verb plus ing in the present continuous tense. So this is the grammatical part is also given in this, no? Present continuous. So in the present continuous tense, how we are making it? Present and how we form this? How to form the present continuous tense? We use is, am, are and verb plus ing. Okay, is, am, are and verb plus ing. Okay, like this we just form the present continuous tense, isn't it? No? Okay. So, like this. No? So, this is the rule to form the present continuous tense. And for the past continuous tense, what we were using? What we are using? We are using was, were and verb plus ing. So, for the past continuous tense, what we are using? Was, were and verb plus ing. Verb plus ing form. So this is the rule. Okay, this is the way how we form the present continuous tense and the past continuous tense. So this is also given in your exercise part. Now, related to this, the questions are given. Suppose use was, were in the following sentence. Okay, so I dash going to the market. Place I dash. So here I is singular, no? So I was, because here you have to use was or were according to the question. So here I was going to the market place. Okay, now he was reading a short story. He dash reading a short story. So he was reading a short story. You dash playing your favorite game. So with the you are using what? You were. Plural, no? Now they, with they also it is a plural. That's why we are using what? Were. So here you were playing your favorite game. they were sleeping for 2 hours. So like this you are making a sentence. So this is the following sentence where you have used was and were to complete a sentence, isn't it now? Now complete the following sentence. Next question. Complete the following sentences using is, am, are or was, were. Okay. Now here, they dash going to play badminton now. So here, they is a plural. No? They, it means it is plural. So what we have to use with they? They are. They are is also correct and they were is also correct. They were going to play badminton now or they are going to play badminton now. Correct, no? Now it dash raining heavily in the morning. It was raining heavily in the morning. We dash, we is a plural, so we were going to attend a marriage party yesterday. Now he dash, as it is a singular, so we will use what? He was weeping after losing the game that day. Okay, now next fill in the blanks. I dash not going to help you if you do not improve. So what we will use here? I am, A-M-M. Okay, I am not going to help you if you do not improve. So like this you have to do the revision of the chapter. Okay, learn it properly. So this was the first chapter which we have revised in the literature part. Okay, so hope you have understood and try to learn, and you have to learn the question answers also. Okay, don't think that if you have not revised your question answers, so the question answers will not come. It will come. Okay, so you have to learn it properly. Thank you.